Hey teachers, so if you're experiencing black bar problems with CamTwist or Manicam, really, I don't know how it would work in Manicam, but here's how I fix it. And when this happens every so often when there are new updates coming to the PC app, I've noticed this happens. So it starts to change my settings that I had formerly set. So I have my CamTwist Studio window open, but it's okay if you have the main window open, it doesn't really matter. I want you to see I've got no black bars right now. When I go over to my classroom, this is for a class for later, but I always want to hit settings before I hit the start button. So sometimes it defaults to the HD, whatever, your camera. It'll default and it won't show you until like you hit the start button. You'll realize, oh my gosh, all my CamTwist stuff is not on. And then you go to turn on your CamTwist and you have black bars. Okay, so here's what happens. Go through and hit CamTwist. And now I have black bars, and black bars cause some major lag time. You have two things trying to access your camera. So here's how we're going to fix it. Go over to CamTwist Studio. You're going to click on CamTwist Preferences. And it will land you on this general tab. Make sure your video size is 640 by 480. Okay. And then click on Video Devices. Now, my resolution right here is not 640 by 480. This is not right. So we're going to jolt it back to the original ratio. So I click on Format and I use this default and 640 by 480. Just that very first one. It doesn't matter which one really. I just toggle between the two. That's all it needs. It needs to, that format drop down menu has to be clicked on. And I always just toggle back. See? Between default and not default. See? So now it's all good. And I don't see the black bars anymore. And so I'll hit confirm. And then I open my camera and all is good. Okay?